I've been waiting for this for quite a long time. I got this tripod from Amazon. The package is very minimal. I don't know where is the package. They just gave this straight on. Come, let's unbox this and I'll tell you why I got this tripod. If I'm not wrong, this is for the GoPro, so this will be useful for me in case I buy it at some point of time. So it's a very simple packaging. एक प्लास्टिक है, यूजर मैनुअल जो कोई पढ़ने वाला है नहीं. जितना तो मुझे समझ में आया है, like they have given one remote over here. This will connect to the phone, and in case we want any photos और अगर वीडियो लेना हो तो just right over here, one click and we can start recording. So this goes back here, or we can keep it separate. That's up to us. ये जो lever है, this works for this. Once you open this, you can tighten it. Then it is fixed. Then for phone holding, this is there. So once you put the phone, like you can pull it down and it comes like this. And you can take in landscape. This is for landscape, and if you want portrait in the sense, you have to put like this. So this walks like a selfie stick, and I guess it extends. Even this thing rotates. This rotation gets restricted if I tighten with this one. Once you open it like this thing automatically gets pushed up. That's good. So if you lock it, you can't move it further on. So this basically comes out like this. The reason why I got this is like अभी जो मैं tripod use कर रहा हूँ, तो you know, like this part, the rotation thing, it is actually quite loose. So sometimes when I shoot my content in the gym, it tends to fall, and I'm very scared. I don't want to drop my iPhone. So this is almost 6 feet. So here's my old tripod, and one more thing which I discovered for this thing is that like मेरा पुराना tripod में जो holder है, so this thing goes in this, which is actually quite good. इसका जो issue था, like for tightening this, जो मैं बोल रहा था problem है, so इसके लिए what I used to do was I used to open this full thing, then I used to manually turn it. But इसमें क्या है, you have a kind of dial over here, so if you rotate this automatically, like this will get tightened. So that's one added advantage to this. I can use 2 phones, or I think I'll basically not use this. Maybe I'll remove this. I'll just keep it aside. Maybe later on I'll use it in case this holder doesn't work anymore. Because the thing is, this holder is quite sturdy, and I feel like this is more convenient for me. So one more thing that I would like to add is this tripod is quite long. This is my old tripod and this is the new one. So if you see the height, ये बैग में आराम से फिट हो जाएगा. This thing I really struggled to put it inside my gym bag. I'm really excited to use this tripod. It looks quite premium. The feel is good. Let's see.
Dried out tears of sorrow. don't ever learn. Every time I break, there's just more pain to